Good morning, everyone. Now, today, just we are going to start a lab which is related to the last session we have covered in day 5. In this, I have given you idea about encryption, stenography, cryptography, and all. Here today, I will give you little bit idea about all these labs so that you can do it practically at your end. For that, you can use your personal machine, and also you can use any virtual machine. You can use a VMware workstation and any other tools by which you can use the virtual machine on cloud. You can do it. Okay, now let's go. Let's we start it with the session here. Firstly, we will go with encryption. In the last session, I've given you idea about that. If you want to secure your data, you can encrypt your file and your folder or the data or any drive. What will happen after encryption? After encryption, the data which you have in your file is not readable for other users. So it is only the readable to the users who have the key, decryption key. So firstly, if you encrypt the data at the time of encryption, it's create a key, and when you want to decrypt it, you can use the same key to read the data inside of the file. Here, for example, just I am giving you example here. Just this is the file best online course. In this file we have some data, and you can easily open this file and you can read the data inside. We have this is file to implement encryption where are storing password, and this is the file where we have the multiple passwords are there. Okay, you want to store your password, your machine password, your social media website password, your social media ID password, or your bank details, your credit card details, whatever you have, you can store in a file, in a document. But you want this file, no other people they cannot check it. Okay, so the other they cannot check. You can check whenever you want, you can modify it. So what you can do for that, for the security purpose, you can store this file in encrypted format. How you can do? Normally nowadays we are using Windows 11, 2019, 2016, 2023. Other operating systems are there, and these operating system basically support NTFS file system. And in NTFS file system we have security. It's a simple example what I'm giving to you. You can store your details, your personal detail, your password detail, your bank account details, your Aadhaar card details, and everything for remembering it, or for future use when sometime you require these details. You can easily read these files. But it is, it's a threat if you have these files in a simple format in your laptop. So if your machine will be, in case if your machine is compromised, so the hackers or other people, they can easily read this file. So you want to secure this file, what you will do? Simply, so firstly you need to store this file on NTFS file system, or any drive which is formatted into NTFS file system. And after that you need to right click on this. You will move to the property of this file, and in this you have a advanced option. Okay, firstly you will go to the journal. Here you have the different options also there, like digital signature, okay, security, details, and previous version of this file. Okay, now we are moving to directly on journal. In this we have the multiple options are there, where this file is located, what is the size of this file, and everything. You don't need to do anything in this. In this we have attributes. So if you want to make this file read only, you can make it. If you want to make this file hidden, it will be hidden file. But anybody can can see that different options are there in Windows, and they can check it, hidden files and everything. Readable, if you make it readable, that means anybody can read it. So if you want to know the password, then you can easily open this file and you can read the password, and you can use these passwords and other details. But If you want to secure it, no other people they cannot check it, so you will go to advanced option. Inside you will get these options, advanced attribute. So file is ready to achieve, and in this file we have two details are there. Compress content to save the disk space. If you want to compress this file to save the disk space, for example, if the file size is 1.2 MB, and once you compress it, the file will be like 0.75 MB, something like. Okay, it's depending. So with this option you can compress it. The second is what? Encrypt content to secure data. So you will click on this encrypt data to secure, encrypt contents to secure data. So this file will be encrypted. After encryption, here you will get the option, do you want to encrypt the only file, or if you are using this encryption on a folder. Inside, if you have the multiple folders and files and folders and files, everything you want to encrypt, you can go with this option. Otherwise, encrypt the file only. So currently I have this file only. I do not have other folders and directories and files. So if you want to apply this on a drive or any directory, then you will go with the first option. Otherwise, the second option is here, you can select it. Here we have another option, always encrypt only the file. So inside, if this is a directory, for example, now this is currently file. If it is directory, suppose this is directory, and you click on this encrypt the file only, and you tick on it. So whenever in future you will add any file inside of it, it will automatically encrypt. Now here I am encrypting the file only. Just click OK, apply. Now this file is encrypted. You can see here what is the difference after encryption. After encryption, one lock is there. This file is locked. You can see this file is locked. Now I can easily open this file, but the other users they cannot open it. They will not see any details here inside. They cannot read the content inside we have. So this is what the simple encryption. Next we are moving to hide your text file into image. Okay, so we are going to learn stenography lab. For that, firstly I create a folder here. In this folder we will add a picture, any picture we will add inside of any image file, let me minimize the size of this. This is what here we have folder. Inside this folder I want to add a one file. Okay, so any image file you can take where just you want to hide any text. So here I'm taking a file. It's like here we have this file. This is what a folder. Okay, let me copy this file and I will paste it to the desktop. Copy this file from here and paste it here. So I'm changing the file of this file, name of this file. Firstly, I will go to property of this file so that I can check. Just I'm changing the file name is image. Okay, so this file is image file, png file. You can see the detail of this file. Item type png file, dimension 300 by 168. It doesn't matter what is the dimension. Now this is a file here. Now second is what you will do, you will create a text file inside of it. Okay, so for the text file, right click here and new and text document. Okay, this is the text document. Open this text document and write the name of this document is text. Inside you can write any detail, your mobile number, any other details like password, Gmail, ASDF 1234 and bank credit card number, or any secret or action time of attack on network 1330. So you can write any detail inside of this file. You want to send this hidden message to the other people so that other anyone cannot check it. It's a message. Basically they can check it. It's a image file only. So here what I am doing, just I have created this file. I'm closing this. Here this file is created. Now for that we need to install 7-zip in machine. Okay, what we have to do, we need to install 7-zip inside of this machine. So for what you will do after creating this file, what the message you want to hide inside of image, you need to click on this text file and you need to go with a 7-zip. 7-zip option is there or not? Let me check. 7-zip here. You will go with the 7-zip and add to text into zip file. Add to text 7-zip. For this lab, you need to have 7-zip in your machine. Okay, you can download it from internet and install in your machine. So what you will do, firstly you will right click on this and here inside you will get the option 7-zip. In 7-zip you will do this add to 7-zip. Once you will do this, it will create a zip file. Here you can say this is a zip file which is created. Now image we have, zip file we have. Now we will move to the command prompt. So 3 files here we have. This is what the image file where we want to hide this text. Now we will go to command prompt. So directly you will go to your machine command prompt cmd. Now currently I am in user HP and what I will do, I will go to inside of the desktop. So here I will write the desktop where we have the file. We have the directory on desktop, desktop slash inside on desktop we have stagno. directory. So this is the directory we have, inside we have all the files. So firstly we will enter inside. So I how to enter inside of any directory. So cd, the location of the directory, it is on desktop, and on desktop we have Stagno directory. So firstly we will enter inside. So we are inside of the Stagno directory where we have all the files. Okay, now what we will do, firstly we will enter inside of the directory. We check what the directories we have inside of it. Inside we have a file which is the image png file is there. Another one is the text document .7 zip, you can see, and another one is a simple text document. Now we will use some command to add this image file, to add this text zip file into image. So this is what image.png, and we are going to add this file text.7j. This is inside of this image file. So we are hiding. How we will hide? The command is very important here. So you will write, the command is copy, then space slash b, then what is the image name? Image name is image.png, and then you will use the plus sign here, and you will write the name of the text file. The text file name is text dot 7z. So remember that the extension should be same, whatever you can see. Once you go with the directory option, if you do dir, and you will get the details of the files here. The first image file name is image.png, and the text file, which is the zip file, the extension is txt.7j. Sometimes you find this is txt.7 zip, but here you can see that the file extension is 7z. So you will go with this 7z only, and after that you will give the name of the new file which you want to convert, where you want to convert this combination in a single file. So image, I want to create the combination of that as a file with the name of image2.png. So keep it in your mind, this is the command, copy slash b, then image, then the file name, image file name, plus text file name, and then the file you want to give the name of the image file. It's very simple. Press enter, it will convert into one file is copied. You can see this here. After doing it, you need to go to once again to the go to directory, close this one, and here inside you can see the one file is created with the name of image2. Now if you want to send this file to anyone, okay, just if you will double click on this, this is a simple HCL image file, simple file, but there is a difference. Just if you will go to check, if you will check the properties of this file, the size of this file is 1.68 KB, and the file size of this you can see 1.77 KB. So first there is a difference. and in this file one text file is hidden in this image file. How you can check it? So very simple, you will go to 7 chip, okay, or just you can directly go to, firstly we are going to 7 chip, it's 7 chip, and in 7 chip you will go to inside of the directories tab now, and here if you will double click in this, you will see this hidden directory is there. Again I am showing to you, if you will go to the stagno directory, inside if you will try to open this file, you will see the only single file, you can see. But here this file is, once you send this file to the other sender, he will receive, firstly he will download this and he will open this file in a 7 zip, and once he will open this file in 7 zip, he will get this text file, double click, he will get the message inside of this file. After changing it into the uh, the format, okay, firstly, and decrypt it, firstly he will extract this file, okay. How he will extract this file? Very simple, right click on this and there is an option, so options, just a minute, here you will get the option 7 zip. With the help of this you can extract it, add to archive. So if you will go with this, and you will be able to see all the detail inside you have this directory. So this is what we have done, how we can hide any text file in an image. Very simple. So this is, you can say, the stenography hide text in image file. Now next we are going to start, this is what, how we can add a audio file, a text in audio file. So this we will do in the next, till try to do this, and I will tell you how you can hide any text file into audio file. Okay, do the practice, and in next video you will see this.